a Best Buy employee in Florida. May 30th, 2023. A fraudulent return scheme running 5 months. Police arrived to find video, receipts, and a signed written confession already waiting for them.
We have our probation manager on a team call. He's doing the interview stuff. Let me see. We have like a statement from him admitting it and everything.
Okay.
And we want to request a trespass for him as
Okay.
well.
So no criminal charges.
We are pressing charges.
Oh.
Yeah. It's what's the total? It's about, I can get the exact total, but it's like, no, we have to do cost. So it's like $1,300 to $1,400. I can give you the exact amount.
Okay. When was this done?
It was done in May 2nd.
And then there was another one too. This was prior to that he admitted to, but he believes that there's more.
Does he know you're pressing charges?
I'm sorry?
Does he know that you're pressing charges?
Let me see.
There was more in here?
Yeah, we'll talk in a second.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. So I just want to verify that we were pressing charges for the approximately $1,300 worth of merchandise that was taken,
Yes, yep, that is correct.
along with trespassing.
Yes.
Okay, so just be aware that he has to be notified that he's been terminated in the process as well. So as long as you guys have that, we can do the trespass, so that way he doesn't mistakenly come back.
Yep, they'll suspend him today because he'll be, they have to open up an HR case before termination. So yeah, she'll notify, I just told Helena, the GM, that to make sure he gets suspended before he leaves.
Okay.
So, yep.
All right,
Perfect.
sounds good.
All right, I appreciate your help.
No
Thank
problem. So apparently he's stolen approximately $1,300, $1,400 worth
That
of
we know of.
merchandise over the last month. Said May 2nd was the...
May 2nd, and then he told us about Christmas where it was return exchange for him. He got AirPods for it as well.
Okay, and you guys have like receipts and all that stuff?
Yep, I have video proof and I have the receipts.
Okay.
And we have a statement from him admitting to it.
Okay.
So,
Where is he at?
he's right inside here.
98 on, please. Anything else holding on, Nora?
554, that's negative. You can send that to the primary. Thank you.
How you doing? Officer Robinson. Did I tell you what's going on, bud? Alright. Go ahead and stand up for me real quick. You have your weapons on you, bud? Come on. Yeah, you should be able to lock them in.
You got it all up okay?
And the radio. Just so we're clear, you're suspended without pay.
Tighten that one. How do the cuffs feel? Do they feel tight a little bit, or they feel alright? Sir, how do the handcuffs feel? Just want them resting on your bones. They're not too comfortable, but not uncomfortable.
I'll see for a second.
Oh, we have our investigator on.
I'll get a second real quick from everything. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, the ID.
Yes.
Or anything. You mind if I go in your?
Yes. I think it's in my back pocket.
In your back pocket right here.
Should be
That's
fine.
right there, that way. From Mississippi.
Mm-hmm.
You put the.
Zone 2. Tell us how you are.
Can we get out this door without the alarm going off?
I
can't make
have to
it.
open it.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna pull my car out.
Yes, we can do that. Number. Charlie 49.
It is
Yeah,
hard.
we're working on the AC is busted. Yeah, we have like 3 of them out in different points. I apologize.
That's okay.
This is a thumb drive with all the video footage. I'm sure you guys need that for evidence.
Perfect, yep.
And we also have a written statement that he filled out already here, so.
Can you make a copy of that real quick?
Yeah, can we make a copy of that written statement for me?
Yes, I will.
How long you been living in Florida for?
About like 2 years now, man. Like I moved down here in August 2020. So it's like 2 years and some change probably.
Any family here?
No, not that I know of. I probably got like one cousin, but he's probably in Miami, so it's like a little distant.
What brought you to Florida?
School.
Okay, where do you go to school at?
Full Sail. I actually graduated May 2022. But yeah.
Congratulations on the graduation.
Thanks.
However,
Yeah, I know.
what was your degree in? Alright, what is it in?
It was recording arts.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Full Sail has like a pretty good, even like a theater and
Yeah.
Entertainment.
It's like
type.
fine arts.
Yeah, fine arts.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, it has all of that on there. Like game
Yeah.
design stuff.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty cool. I was gonna go for game design, but it was kind of complicated. I was like, I was like, I'm not gonna do music.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I'll play the game, but designing the game,
That's so much more work, right?
that's a different type of a brain that mine doesn't work.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get down there just send a picture.
Yeah,
That cool?
yeah.
Sure.
Absolutely.
I mean, if you want. Do you have, oh, of course you got a Mississippi.
I already ran off, so.
Okay, appreciate it. What are you doing in Florida? Did you drive here?
Yeah.
Where's your car?
Front. It's
Can somebody come get his car, or you have somebody that can get your car? Because you can't come to the property after today.
I can
No.
see. I don't
See if
know.
I do real quick.
Have any friends that can come get it?
I can try. I mean, they're probably all at work though.
Is there anybody here that you can give the key to that you trust? Or?
Who's writing the statement?
No.
Let me call that back.
If not, I mean, you can come back. You just have to have a law enforcement escort to get your car. And I mean, I don't know how long you'll have a bond, but I don't know how long you're going to be down there. So.
Okay.
I mean, you can still call somebody. You can call somebody from the jail, and they can come get the keys from you, and then come get the car too. That's an option. But if you have somebody here that you trust, then
I can see. I have to like see who's like available.
What happened?
I'll just have to see who's like available.
So you just want to just leave it here and call law enforcement to get it when you get out, or?
I can't check like right now. Like see who can come get you.
I can give you one phone call.
Let me think.
Can you write that down?
We'll just break the keys with you, make sure it's locked.
Yeah.
If you find somebody to come get it for you, then call. Yeah.
Let me grab my drugs.
Okay.
You're gonna be charged with. So there's a dollar amount, it's grand theft. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So. Have you ever been arrested before? Okay. So I'm just gonna ask you some questions that they probably already asked you, but I have to read your rights, okay? Because you're in handcuffs. All right. I just need a yes or no to each question. All right.
You have the right to remain silent, do you understand that? Anything you say may be used against you in court, do you understand? You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during any question, do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one, will be provided for you before a question without charge, do you understand that?
All right. So this statement right here, do you recognize it?
Yeah.
All right. Did you write that? All right, what does it say? In brief, you don't have to.
Just confessing that I did return fraud and just apologizing to them. I'll pay like all the products. You know.
Okay. How long? Over what period of time did this happen?
Like
from the first transaction to the last transaction. What you can think of?
So the first was in December.
Of what?
2022.
Okay.
And then the next one was 2 months ago.
Okay. And did you know what you were doing? Did you know that you were doing it for financial gain? You didn't. So you didn't realize that you were taking money from the store?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell me about this?
The charge grand theft in the third degree under Florida Statute Section 812.014, subsection 2C, property valued between $750 and $20,000. A third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years. He purchased a Sony camera and Apple AirPods, then processed store returns for those items without handing them back. At least 2 transactions over 5 months. Under Florida law, that pattern alone establishes criminal intent. No confession required. Before the officer entered, Best Buy's loss prevention team had invoked Florida Statutes Section 812.015, the Merchant Privilege Statute. Retailers can legally detain a suspected shoplifter for a reasonable time in a reasonable manner. They used it correctly. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for a lawful arrest. Here it was airtight. Surveillance footage, transaction receipts, a voluntary written confession, all assembled before law enforcement arrived. The officer's seizure of the subject was constitutionally solid from the first moment. One distinction matters. The confession given to loss prevention before police arrived does not require Miranda. Illinois versus Perkins, 1990, settles this. Miranda attaches to custodial interrogation by law enforcement, not to an employer interview. That statement is fully admissible. When Robinson applied handcuffs, custody attached under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984. That is the constitutional trigger for Miranda. What he did next was correct rights read immediately. Before any question about the crime, timing is everything in custodial law. The full advisement right to remain silent. Anything said may be used in court. Right to an attorney. Appointed counsel if needed was delivered and acknowledged. Subject confirmed each right. Constitutional compliance was not borderline here. It was clean. Post Miranda, the subject verbally confirmed his written statement and offered to repay the store. That admission is fully admissible. But it also changed nothing. The case was already made. The written confession. The footage. The receipts, 3 independent sources of evidence. That is the Fifth Amendment problem. Talking further, handed prosecutors an additional admission while adding nothing to his defense. The correct move post-Miranda was to confirm the document and stop. The right to silence exists for exactly this situation. Robinson also ran 2 legal tracks simultaneously, criminal charges under Section 812 and a formal trespass under Florida Statutes Section 810.09. He confirmed the store wanted both and ensured the trespass was communicated before transport. Procedurally clean. On use of force, Graham versus Connor, 1989. Requires courts to assess whether force was objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. Only handcuffing was used on a non-combative subject. Tightly applied restraints can also constitute Fourth Amendment violations. Robinson checked the fit.
Are we cold paper?
I think he made you copies.
Yeah, I think that should be a copy, and I have to see if we have a better printer.
Yeah, I gotta have something that's
Can I put it
solid.
on the pen drive? Take a picture of it?
We have to have a physical copy.
That's fine.
It's
Can you see if there's another printer that scanner
Do you
the
know
customer
what
service
actually-
is not completed with that?
We'll print another copy. No, he's a better pencil.
Yeah, evidence is kind of the important thing.
Yeah, I think.
You need a 40 or you need to do the 40 or you sure?
Alec is here?
Yeah. All right. So anything that you get out of your car,
No.
you got your keys.
Yeah.
Do you want to take your watch and everything? Like off? No, like take it to the jail. You get it back. Some people don't feel comfortable with it.
Yeah. You can take it off.
This is their device here?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Is there anything else on you that belongs to best of the package shirt? No, take your shirt off.
Nice.
I need to figure this out with this. Like a really.
So this is all you have. You want to take
Yeah.
Where your
Oh,
car
you got
keys?
your keys, right? Oh, wait, they're right here. Oops. That's so much.
Charlie, you back, Charlie, 4 for Alpha, 5377.
Yeah, for the statement.
Yeah, just send me a
Charlie
picture.
for now. I'm about to go today.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
The ID.
Yep, anything else you can, I'll put this in the evidence for you. Cause that's, all the footage.
And receipts. I need receipts.
Okay.
If they can, if not, then.
You have the receipts, yeah.
All right.
Officer Robinson, A-. Miranda timing correct. Weapons check immediate. Handcuff, fit verified. Demeanor professional through a zero resistance arrest. The deduction and evidence printer should not be a field logistics problem in a store that handles loss prevention cases regularly. Best by loss prevention B+. Complete evidentiary package ready before the officer arrived. Merchant privilege correctly applied. Criminal and trespass tracks coordinated in parallel. The deduction no functioning printer for a team that runs these cases is an avoidable operational failure. The subject, C+, did not resist, did not flee, offered restitution that likely drove sentencing toward probation. But the scheme was deliberate and ran 5 months. And talking after Miranda, with the case already built against him, was the wrong legal call. He received 12 months of probation, 100 hours of community service, and a mandatory anti-theft course. No incarceration. A first-time nonviolent offense combined with a voluntary confession and expressed willingness to repay those factors shaped that outcome. First lesson, merchant privilege is a real investigative tool. Retailers can detain, document, and build a full felony case before law enforcement arrives. A well-assembled internal investigation gives police a ready-made prosecution. Best Buy demonstrated that here. Second, Miranda timing is the line between admissible and inadmissible. Custody attaches when cuffs go on. Robinson read rights at that exact moment, not at the station. Not after a few more questions. That precision is what keeps a case intact through trial. Third, when a written confession already exists, silence is the only rational post-Miranda strategy. Confirm the document. Stop. Any verbal summary of an existing confession gives prosecutors a redundant admission and gives the defense nothing in return. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Bodycam Case Analysis Second Channel. For more content,